Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Nursing or BSN. So if you are someone who is caring, compassionate, patient, and wants to help take care of people's health and well-being, this course might be for you. So ano nga ba ang BSN? It is a degree program that prepares students for professional nursing practice through education in health sciences, patient care, clinical training, and evidence-based healthcare. In simple terms, nursing students learn how to care for sick and well individuals, collaborate with doctors and the healthcare team, and provide healthcare services in hospitals, communities, and other medical settings. Now, ano-ano nga ba ang mga subjects under BSN? Usually, merong mga subjects such as anatomy and physiology, microbiology and parasitology, pharmacology, fundamentals of nursing, medical surgical nursing, community health nursing, nutrition and diet therapy, and nursing research. So as you can see, it's a combination of science, healthcare, patient care, and clinical practice. Now, ano-ano naman yung mga skills na madedevelop mo if you are a BSN student? You will develop clinical skills, critical thinking, communication skills, compassion, attention to detail, and the ability to handle emergency and real-life healthcare situations. Because of this, being responsible, empathetic, calm under pressure, emotionally resilient, and able to handle physically demanding shifts is very important in this field. Now let's talk about career opportunities. As a nursing graduate, you can work as a registered nurse after passing the licensure examination, a hospital nurse, a clinic nurse, a community health nurse, a school nurse, company or occupational health nurse, private duty nurse, ER nurse, or travel nurse, which are more common abroad such as in the US and other countries. You can work in hospitals and medical centers, clinics, health centers, schools and universities, government health units, private companies, nursing homes and care facilities, and international hospitals and healthcare systems. Now, when it comes to salary, it will depend on the country, the company, and your level of experience. But generally, fresh graduate or fresh registered nurse in the Philippines may earn around 18,000 to 30,000 per month. For mid-level or more experienced nurses, they may earn around 20,000 to 40,000 per month in private settings, while higher level or specialized roles can go around 40,000 to 70,000 per month. For nurses working abroad naman, salaries can go significantly higher, often exceeding 100,000 per month equivalent, depending on the location and the specialization. Now, sino ba ang bagay sa BSN? This course might be a good fit for you if you are caring and compassionate, you are interested in health and medical sciences, you are good under pressure and in emergency situations, you are patient and detail-oriented, and you are willing to work in shifts and demanding environments. So if you see yourself working in hospitals, helping patients, and being a part of the healthcare system, BS Nursing might be the right course for you. So that is Bachelor of Science in Nursing explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.